Hi, this is Rocío with Ronival Property Management, and today we're in this beautiful place named Bahía de los Sueños. I want to tell you about an important part of the home ownership and also home buying process, which is the use of a punch list. You might ask, what is a punch list? It is a list of items that need to be repaired on a property. This can mean any number of things, ranging from light bulbs needing to be replaced, to broken windows, to a leaking faucet. Many of our clients use a punch list with new construction properties, and other clients use it in a home they already own, but want to do maintenance repairs on. Whether you own a property or looking to soon own a new construction home, we at Ronival Property Management do this service for you. From preparing the punch list and making sure punch list items are completed. If this is a service that interests you, feel free to contact us and we will be glad to help. Hope to see you soon in this paradise.